Our subject this month isn't really exciting, mostly because backing up your computer is a little time consuming. And let's face it, it's work. But the most important thing I must say about it is that it's a computer essential that most people actually fail to do and don't realize the importance of it until it's too late. I treat the backup and restore subject just like I do with my insurance policies for my health, my car, and for my home. Many years ago, I got a low-cost insurance policy on my car to save money. I got into a serious car accident where two of us in the car were injured, and I totaled my car. I learned a valuable lesson. I realized the importance of putting my insurance as a priority. I now research everything about my insurance policies, and I set appropriate values so that financially I never end up in a position as bad as it was after that accident. I've had another accident since then, and my business was broken into once, and my home was damaged in a severe weather incident. In all of those cases, I had appropriate coverage, and I'm very happy to say that everything turned out in my favor afterwards. In a similar way, backing up your computer system, or just the important files off your computer, can be likened to a good insurance policy. Just one failed hard drive, one glass of water spilled on your keyboard, or one ransomware attack, and maybe 5, 10, or 15 years worth of work could disappear in an instant. So can you see the importance, the value of backing up your system or your important files? In this episode of the Ron's Rules Computer Training Series, we will discuss these important topics. The importance of backing up your complete computer system, as well as the important files that are on your computer. There are several different theories to these two kinds of backups, and there are many different programs you can use to do these two functions. Some are free, and some come with a fee, and there are advantages and disadvantages with both. We will discuss the Windows Backup and Restore utility that is on all Windows operating systems since Windows 7. We'll briefly discuss how many mainstream computer companies also install a second backup system on their computers. There are several third-party backup softwares that might be another good option, and there are several good cloud backups for both system backups and file backups. We will discuss testing your backups and using the restore features. It's going to be a very busy training for this month, one that you are not going to want to miss. We hope that you join us this month for the Ron's Rules Computer Training Series, where we talk about backup and restore.